How to set the camera flashlight to automatic on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in here, tap on the flashlight icon at the top. Next, tap on the auto, so there is a flashlight icon with an A, so that is the auto flashlight. So here, when you take a picture, if it is too dark, then the phone will automatically turn on the flashlight and capture a picture with the flashlight on. So that will automatically be determined by the camera. If you want to manually use the flashlight, you need to manually set it to a flashlight on. And when you select auto, then the flashlight will automatically turn on when it needs more light. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.